Hey everyone, Tristan back with another video, and I've got a little bit of headphone news for you today. Sennheiser just announced a new pair of headphones, the HD820s, and I'll post a link to them in the description below. They are announced today, but they're not actually going to be out until June sometime, or maybe even later. I will be reviewing them in my channel here. And what's interesting about them is they're calling them a closed headphone. And they have glass backs to them. They have glass panels around the transducer. So it's basically like an HD800S, but with glass transducers on them. I thought that was a little bit odd because glass is not typically a very good material to use for the backing on headphones. Glass tends to reflect quite a bit. Anyone who's tried to set up speakers in front of like a bay window or sliding glass doors or something like that knows that the glass really reflects a lot. So that choice I think was very interesting, and it will be interesting to see how these perform. Sennheiser is saying that according to them they're like a new standard for closed back headphones, and I think that what they're trying to do is basically make a closed back version of the HD800S, which would hopefully have a more bass response. Now I don't know if these are fully closed back headphones. I don't think that these are fully sealed headphones. They're closed back, but they're semi-sealed. So they're not fully sealed, I believe. And if you look at the pictures, you can see there are some parts around the transducers which appear to be open, but it might be like the Sony Z1Rs where they have some kind of baffling or special paper material around there. So maybe it is more of a fully sealed headphone. I'm not 100% sure on that. But I think what they're trying to do is compete with the Z1Rs, because the Z1R is a closed back headphone, but that still performs, has a nice wide sound stage. So it's kind of almost maybe like Sennheiser's direct response to those headphones. But yeah, check out the website, and they have some pictures on their website. It's a pretty cool looking headphone. I just think that it's a little bit weird that it has glass as a material. So it remains to be seen exactly how that's going to perform. The retail price on these is $2,400, $2,399.95. They're 300 ohms, and from the looks of it, they might be a very interesting performer, and I'm very curious to see how they stack up against the Sony Z1Rs, which to date I think are the best closed back headphones in terms of the sound and also the wide sound stage for closed back headphones. So yeah, just a quick news video today. Again, the Sennheiser HD820 headphones were announced today. So questions, comments, feedback, please feel free to leave them, and I'll see you in my next video.